like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So it's been so long since the last time we reacted to JC Lingdo's song, and yeah, today we are here again. JC Lingdo has just dropped this music video called Safe and Sound, and we have many features in here. JC Lingdo and Bandit featuring Lily, Savian, Gino, Thank You, Alexandria, and yeah, I haven't watched it, so I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. So without further ado, without wasting any time, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what JC Lingdo and the gang has for us on the table. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family, and also do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, so this is my Instagram ID. So let's just jump straight into the music video and let's just vibe into it, man. Let's get it. Hey,
creating music is what you become.
hey.
Because there is purpose, there is change,
Mm-hmm.
there is healing.
Yes, there is a healing. Oh, sponsors. Mm-hmm.
Cue music.
Hey, JC, she cute. This is Alex.
Look a little nervous when you talk. Maybe cause we're sitting way too close.
Hey,
Just another day at home, just another time alone. But I get the feeling we both know that I've got somebody else who's close to my heart. And you've got somebody else you promised to love. So what are we doing when we get no love? Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now.
hey.
Better keep you safe and sound.
What's that sound?
Better keep you safe and sound
like love
than
coming
to
to town,
lose you
baby.
forever now.
JC Lingdo is looking so cool in here, and I really love the vibes, you know, and the quality is really amazing, and also her voice is like for real so angelic, so there is so much of melody in it. I really love her voice. Hey,
Keep you safe and sound than to lose you now. Better keep you safe and sound
Just let
than
go.
to lose you forever now.
hey. Oh, the DJ vibes, party dance vibes. Hey. Hey.
Gets a little harder when you're mine.
Oh wow.
No, wants me over every time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Just another day at home, just another time alone.
don't make us do things we shouldn't do.
Wait.
I've got somebody else who's close to my heart, and you've got somebody else you promised to love. So what are we doing when we got no love?
I think this is the same Lily who sang the song Blessed. Yes, I'm not very sure, but I guess she's the one.
Better keep you safe.
Yes, this is the one, yeah.
Than to lose you forever now. Better keep you safe and sound.
Hey.
Better keep you safe and sound than to lose you forever now. Better keep you safe and
And
sound
sound.
than to lose you now.
better keep you safe and sound
Hey.
than to lose you forever now.
Wow, amazing dance. She's so cute. Hey. Hey. This is Khasi or Panar.
kung pag-alamin siya ay nagpet na niwala.
That I've got somebody else who's close to
Yeah,
my
Lily.
heart, and you've got somebody else you promised to love.
Oh.
So what?
Both of them are amazing singers. They sound like, you know, so like an American, the vibes they give in the voice, you know. I really love, you know, both of their voices. Amazing, top notch. Hey,
Are we doing when we got no love?
hey,
To keep you safe and sound, than to lose you forever.
ever now, hey,
Better keep you safe
and sound. Yeah, better keep it safe and sound.
Better keep you
Safe and sound. Hey,
to lose you forever now.
hey,
Better keep you safe and sound, than to lose you now.
Better keep you safe and sound.
hey.
Lose you forever now.
Oh, amazing moves, dance. Hey, safe and sound.
Better keep you safe and sound,
Hey,
lose you forever now.
Love is all over the town.
Mm.
When you're down, it will come around.
Hey.
Love makes the world go round. If so, I'd better keep you safe and sound.
hey,
Is all over the town. When you're down, it will come around. Love makes the world go round. If so, it better keep you safe and sound.
hey,
Want you forever now. Better keep you
safe and sound. Hey,
Want you forever now. Better keep you
Oh.
safe and sound.
cute little babies are also there.
Better keep you safe and sound.
So now, hey,
Keep you safe and
oh, keep it safe and sound. Oh wow. That was really amazing. Oh, better keep it safe and sound. Hey, I really love the positive energy in JC Lingdo's song. There is always a positive, you know, message. And here also she's talking about, you know, love. And man, all of their voices are really amazing. Shout out to the whole gang and those kids, the one who were dancing. Oh my goodness, they are really very smart and their moves really, you know, intrigued me. And yeah man, shout out to the whole team who have worked in this project. I know they have worked very hard in this project, and they have put a lot of efforts and it came out so well. And yeah guys, if you haven't watched the original music video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. And yeah man, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. And yeah, once again, Northeast for life. Here we go.